What is going on and welcome to another reaction video. Today I have for you JJ Lin and this is called FIR, right? So I'm gonna say it's called Fire. Now, before we get started, you guys, like always, I just want to say, guys, thank you so much for all the love and support on the channel. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. All right, a lot of videos are going up. I love and I appreciate every single one of you guys. There's so much stuff to react to. You guys are so awesome. Thank you. I love you all, and let's get right into the video, okay? So I hope you guys have been well. You know, I've been good, just here surviving, working, slaving. You guys know how it is. So video's gonna go this way, like always. Put the brightness up. Check the profile. Smile for you guys. All right, JJ Lin, bless my ears. Let's go. Oh, I have my water. Wow, okay. She plays the violin so
回忆想起模糊的小时候
Yes, JJ, yes.
云朵漂浮在蓝蓝的天空
I like his suit.
那时的你说要和我手牵手一起走到时间的尽头从此以后我都不敢抬头看仿佛我的天空失去了颜色从那一天起我忘记了呼吸眼泪啊永远不再哭泣我们的爱过了就不再回来直到现在我还默默地等待我们的爱我明白已变成你的负担只是永远我还放不开最后的温暖最后的温暖
What?
从此以后我都不敢抬头看仿佛我的天空失去了颜色从那一天起我忘记了呼吸眼泪啊永远不再哭泣我们的爱过了就不再回来直到现在我还默默地等待我们的爱我明白已变成你的负担继续永远我都放不开最后的温暖你 寂寞。
Oh my god, yo, he's killing it. Oh, the judges are like,
我们的爱过了，它就不会再回来，直到现在还是默默等待。我们的爱明明已经变成了负担，直到现在还是放不开什么？我的爱过了就不再回来，直到现在我还默默的等待。我们的爱，我们的爱，我们的爱。哦，你给了温暖。
I loved it. This was awesome. Oh wait, it's not done yet. Okay, now it's done. Guys, this is it for this reaction video. I loved it. For all you JJ Lin fans, I have a surprise for you guys. A lot of JJ Lin going up today or whenever you guys see this. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. A lot of views going up to the channel. I love and appreciate every single one of you guys. Be safe out there and thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.